What's going on, guys? J.R. Shelby, the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria. I'm standing in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single wide. We refer to this home as our rent buster home. This home goes to more families who are coming out of an apartment or a rent house than any other home on our sales center. And you've got to be asking yourself, why is that? It's because of the way this home is priced and your estimated monthly payment coming out in this home. This home is going to compete with any rent price in the market nowadays. With rent prices going through the roof at $1,400, $1,500, $1,600 for rent, this house will keep you well under that, and it's a gorgeous home. So when you're financing a home, the two things you've got to consider when buying a home is your monthly payment and your down payment. Well, right now, in our Rent Buster home, we've already got your monthly payment beat on your rent. We've also got a zero down program going on right now, which means you don't have to tie your land in. It's not like a land in lieu deal. It's strictly zero down. Zero down, low monthly payments. You can't get any better than this. Why wait to buy a house when you can save money getting out of a rent house and you don't have to come out of pocket for any money? Guys, you can't beat the deals going on right now. This is one of the hottest selling single wides in the market. Come on down to Palm Harbor, Victoria. Ask for any one of our sales consultants. They all know all the specials and deals we have going on right now. You don't want to miss out. Give us a call today at 361-576-2171. We look forward to talking to all of you. Thank you.